Welcome back, folks. This is part 4, and we're going to keep moving along through the section, the statement of the facts. Number 24. On March 23rd, 2019, written argument was filed by defendant appellant as Judge Freitas made it clear he did not want to have documents read to him at trial. This document contained the entirety of the objection on the grounds that the statute of limitations was being violated, along with other issues, such as the admission by Officer Davies that he had completed citations against me and indicated that I was the registered owner of the automobile, yet he admitted to never being given any evidence by me or by dispatch communications that I was the registered owner. I laid out that the court lacked subject matter jurisdiction due to a failure of the prosecution to file timely charges within the statute of limitations, that there were procedural and jurisdictional violations by the state, and that Hawaii Revised Statute 286-10 was in conflict with Hawaii Revised Statute 28-2, that Officer Davies violated Hawaii Revised Statute 286-10 and introduced prejudice against me. My objections to the amended charges by Prosecutor Downs, my objection to the unlawful warrantless arrest, and objections to the improper applications of HRS 249-7B, HRS 286-47-3, HRS 286-25, HRS 249-2, and HRS 286-102. Now, each of these were the statutes they claimed that I violated. This was no driver's license. This was no registration or failure to register. This was the failure to have the registration on my person. And let's see. This one was the, I don't know. Oh, I'm mixing them up. Oh, I'm going to have to look them up. Jeez. How embarrassing. That should be right. Alright, we'll have to chop and edit this and come back to it. Alright, 25. On April 12th, 2018, the trial was continued. No further argument was had. Judge Freitas entered findings on the record and made statements about the statute of limitations and Rule 48 period. The Rule 48 period is the speedy trial issue. Judge Freitas entered guilty findings for both one count of driving a motor vehicle without a driver's license, HRS 286-102, and one count of no motor vehicle insurance policy, 431 10C-104. Sentence was imposed. My motion to stay the sentence pending appeal was granted. Okay, so that's the end of the section for the statement of facts, and that's not very long, but we'll keep this short and create a separate video for the next section because it's going to be the meat and potatoes. So come back and definitely check it out. I'm going to get into the argument, the case law, and you'll be able to see how, if you want to be successful and not have things kicked out, you need to cite law from your state. And if you're going to cite law that comes from, say, federal levels, it's going to have to be something that invokes constitutional issues for it to be controlling. So that's it for right now. Stay tuned for the next one.